Hey, what's up guys? Joey here at Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today in the shop we have this Honda Odyssey. We're going to show you guys how to restore these oxidized headlights in one simple step solution. Roll the intro. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do today is we're going to be masking off our headlight. We're going to be masking off the painted areas around the headlight because we don't want to use a headlight product on the paint. So what we're also going to be doing is we're going to be doubling up on the tape just because it's on a thinner side and we don't want to get the product onto the paint. And we will be back once it's done. So now that we have the headlight masked off, we're gonna go ahead and follow it up with our clay block and clay lubricant just to make sure that we get rid of any dirt that may still be on here that we can't necessarily see, but you can hear. I'm gonna go ahead and do a test section so that we can see and the difference in the sound and what a clean, decontaminated sound sounds like versus the original, raspy sound sounds like. This is the side that we just did right now with the clay block, and as you guys can hear, it's nice and smooth. You don't really hear any raspiness to it, versus on this side that we didn't do, which can sound a little bit more raspy, which means that there's still embedded dirt that's on the actual headlight. So now that the headlight is clean, we're gonna go ahead and proceed to the one and only polishing step that we're gonna have to use in order to remove this oxidation on the headlight. Like I mentioned earlier, we will be using our Headlight Restore product on this. We're gonna go ahead and apply about 2 drops just because it's not that big of a headlight. And we're also gonna follow it up with 1 spray of pad conditioner just to make sure that we lubricate the pad and we get better results. The polisher is ready, the pad is ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the procedure and actually how to use a polisher on this headlight. The first thing that you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and spread the product from the machine onto the headlight without it being on, because if we were to just go ahead and simply just blot it on there and turn it on, it would just fling all over the place. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and spread out the product as much as we can so that we don't run into that problem. So now that we have the product spread out onto the headlight, we want to show you guys the procedure and how to actually use a rotary polisher to remove this layer of oxidation. One, we're not going to apply any pressure on this when we're doing it because the machine is cutting and all we're doing is guiding the machine in the way that we want it to go. 2, we're going to be going ahead and following a pace of 1 inch per second, which is a general rule of thumb when polishing any kind of painted finishes or plastic finishes. And 3, we're gonna go ahead and work in a crosshatch motion to make sure that it all comes out uniform and it all comes out evenly. So without further ado, let's get to polishing. All right guys, so now that we're done working the product and it fully becomes clear, we're gonna go ahead and wipe it off with our microfiber towel. And look at that. It's like brand new again. Probably even better than new. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you wanna go ahead and see more videos like this in the future, and comment down below what you wanna see on our next video. This has been Joey, Chemical Guys Detail Garage. See you guys next time.